Today we have a 2019 Camaro. It's an SS1LE and it has a Gen 5 LT engine in it. And so the added on to this was an ECS Supercharger, and it has a Paxton head unit. That's the ECS is the overall kit, Paxton is the head unit. And so basically it's approaching its first oil change interval. It's got like 1,800 miles or something on it, and so we are going to drain the oil out and put new oil into this thing. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is undo the fill hole, which is also the dipstick. Okay, so when we drained it out, we measured it out in this paint cup, and you can see right here, 4 ounces, right on the horn. And so that was the factory fill. That's just the way it came in the box, filled and ready to go. And so we have these little, it's Vortech part number 009035, but they're 4-ounce bottles. So we're just gonna whip a bottle in there and call it a day. Before you refill the head unit, you need to obviously close the drain line and make sure that's good and tight. Alright, so we just refilled the head unit through this hole. The dipstick goes in there as well, and you know, it's hard to tell whether that dipstick is actually picking up on the fluid or if it's just kind of picking up on whatever it touches inside of here. It's hard to say. But that's why we made sure to measure the 4 ounces going out, and of course we know 4 ounces going in because we had a fresh new bottle. And that seems like almost a better way than even using the dipstick, because it's just hard to read that thing. So anyway, hope this helped you out with your supercharger, and thanks for watching.